hasn't been a good Friday for many folk. There's a lot of water across the Midlands through the last 24 hours. Between about 50 and 80 millimetres of rain has fallen. That's 2 to 3 inches. And the sad news is it's going to get worse before it gets better. More heavy rain this evening across England and Wales. Some of that lasting into the night. Inevitably, I think, some more local flooding. There could even be some sleet and snow mixed in with it. And talking of snow, a real rash of snow showers again coming into northern Scotland. Now, they're going to cause problems through the night. The snow showers combining with some fairly strong winds to give some drifting of that snow up over the hills. And even in between, some problems, because in the southeast corner of England, where there are gaps in the clouds, some dense fog forming, perhaps even some icy roads further north, where there'll be a widespread frost. Now, that really cold air is going to surge southwards through the rest of the Easter break. And then as we go to the middle of next week, well, these easterly winds will bring some more persistent rain, sleet and snow onto North Sea coast. In the meantime, though, I think as far as Saturday is concerned, that wet weather eventually withdrawing across the channel, but lots of wintry showers following along behind, a mixture of sleet, snow and hail. Bye-bye. Hello again. Some good news from Northern Ireland today, some sad news from the Midlands. But even across the Midlands, some hope now of that rain starting to fragment on the radar. So perhaps overnight tonight it won't be quite as persistent as it was last night. Having said that, though, still the potential for some heavy thundery bursts across England and Wales that could lead to some more local flooding. And there could even be some sleet and snow mixed in with the heaviest of the rain, and not just up on the hills. In the southeastern corner, where we might get a few breaks in the cloud, we're likely to see some dense fog patches. Breaks in the cloud over Northern Ireland and southern Scotland could lead to some ice on the road. And up in the far north of Scotland, some more snow showers, and they're going to be driven on once again by some fairly strong winds, so we can expect some drifting over the hills. Now, the really cold air is in the north, but these strong winds are going to bring it further and further south through the next 24 hours. Eventually, it'll push away this mixture of rain, sleet and snow from southeastern parts of England, with a mixture of sunshine and wintry showers coming along behind for Easter Day. But later in the day, the cloud will be gathering once again in northeastern parts of Scotland. More persistent rain, sleet and snow moving in there, and that'll drift down the east coast of England on Easter Monday. That's it.